You know what would have been good and fucking Saved by the Bell? Philip Seymour Hoffman. What in